The search for happiness is based on the hope of finding our stable and preferably unchanging sources of security, pleasure, affirmation, and unconditional love in our external world. We seek especially to satisfy those needs which have been left unfulfilled in our past. Our unhappiness comes from our wants, attachments, needs, and expectations. When we are attached to our wants and needs in order to feel safe, worthy, and free, then we feel more frequently hurt and angry. When we have wants, needs, and expectations, we tend to push and pull the life force energy in an attempt to force a particular outcome that we have become attached to. To accomplish the outcome in our favor, we might find ourselves totally ignoring the perspective of others, or we might engage in some attempts to manipulate the outcome to fit our needs. Then if our needs do not get met, we tend to go into overwhelm and overreact to the circumstances that we ourselves created. Sometimes we become attached to specific people, objects, situations, positions, and roles in an attempt to feel that we have secured our needs. We fight to obtain what we need. If we do not achieve what we believe we need, we feel that we are a failure, perhaps becoming depressive if we feel impotent to obtain what we desire. Or we may become bitter and angry towards those who have obstructed us or cheated us out of what we need. We often develop positive feelings towards those who help us obtain what we need, and negative feelings towards those who obstruct us. We harbor jealousy towards those who have what we need, and we fear those who might take what we need from us. We may fear losing what we have, and we spend much energy trying to protect what we have. The more we feel we need, the more energy we lose in trying to obtain, sustain, and protect what we believe we need. These attachments become the cause of our conflicts with others. Our relationships with family, friends, and co-workers become strained because we frequently fear that their behavior embodies some type of danger for us, and that some of our needs will not be fulfilled.